Welcome back to another My Two Good Hands. We're here working on that shed project. You can see we got the caulk done. You probably already saw that video because it'll post before this one. But hey, like and subscribe, post notifications on, use the Amazon links to shop. Please, it helps support the channel. If you're not going to buy one of those items, just enter Amazon through that. Whatever you buy in that visit will help support this channel. We greatly appreciate every bit we can get to help support and do more of these projects. But hey, here we're going to show you how we're going to do the white. Ooh, windy out here. Ooh, boy. Okay. Well, there you go. It is windy out here, as you can see, but we're going to get this set up a little more stable. Let's show you the tools we got. So here we go. We got ourselves a paintbrush. We got some indoor-outdoor white for the trim, a stir stick, a screwdriver, and we got a couple pieces of cardboard to cover the concrete so we don't get any drips. And of course, we got our ladder. So what we're going to do is we're going to paint this. And remember, in here, we're going to paint in here because we want this portion, this flat area in here, we want that white. If we get a little white on here, we're going to be okay with that because we're going to come back and do this with the gray last. So let's get you set up and we'll get this thing started. So first thing we're going to do, the reason we brought this cardboard out here is we can do this kind of thing when we get to the edge here and tuck it under the siding a little bit like this. That way we don't have to worry about getting any. Whoa, jeez, what happened to the camera? Okay. Well, that ain't good, is it? So that's why we brought the cardboard out. You can see how we can tuck that under the edges. We don't want to get any paint on our concrete because it looks beautiful the way it is. So we're going to open the can. Normally I have one of those can openers, but I don't want to go all the way in the house and get it. We'll see, we might have to go get it because this is not working that well, but that's why we like the can opener. But you can see we can get this. There you go. You can see our can is basically full, but now we can take our stir stick, stir it up. You'll feel it's heavier on the bottom. You really got to make sure, take some time and stir your paint really well. It makes for a much better job if the paint is mixed properly. What we're trying to do here is just get the paint very consistent. You can do this for quite a while. We maybe won't have you watch it all, but it's mixing pretty well now. Once you get it stirred up good, put just a little on your brush, and then you can come in here and start this type of thing. And again, what we're going to do is we're going to paint this easy like that. We're going to show you this up close, but we'll put this easy like this. And hopefully you can see how nice that's working out. Just like that. There you go. We're hoping we don't need 2 coats, but we'll bring you in close and you can see what you think. But you can see how what we can do is just come in here. We don't have to worry about getting a little on the gray because we're going to do the gray second. You can see we did gray second before. That's why we got the gray on the white. There you go. Let's keep doing this. We're going to go around and we're going to do that to the whole thing. So let's back you up and we're going to continue to paint. If you don't want to lift the whole can, get yourself a little can to put some paint in, and then you can not have to do it all at once like this. Lifting the heavy can builds character. Hey. Once again, we can't reach close. Okay, right like that, so we go up there, you can fall off it. How much every second I can? We're all set. When you do this, make sure you get a real spot, because maybe you'll see what spots. First, get the can on this side, and then we'll do the rest of the light, and you'll see what's right. Anything wrong now? When you get back down your corner, keep your cover back. We'll do it on the corner. There we go. Down the corner, so we got a little house. All right, this one. Well, there you go. It's that easy to do your own painting and staining. Don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. This stuff is water cleanup, so it will come off when we wash. So we'll get our brush cleaned out and everything. Use the Amazon links to shop. You'll help support the channel. We greatly appreciate it. Once again, thanks from my two good hands for watching, and we will catch you in the next video when we're going to work on the gray stain. This thing will look like new when we're done, and we will have saved a bunch of money. Catch you in the next video.